Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So friends, our today's video is one of the very important videos because this video is regarding the 8 free courses by Accenture, and all the 8 courses are very much demanding courses, and it is completely free, and you will be also getting a certificate once you complete the course. And this certificate, if you put in the resume or if you tell in the interview that you have completed the courses on the most demanding technology, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, web analytics, then your chances of getting selection will become 110%. So watch the video till the end, because I will tell you about each and every courses. So how artificial intelligence is going to rule the IT industry. So what is the scope of digital marketing? Okay, so regarding all these courses, I'll be able to tell you. And friends, one more thing. So these courses, even you can complete in one day. See, they have basically given 3 weeks and 2 hours per week. But you can complete in one day, you can complete in 2 days, and then you will be able to get free digital upgrade, means free digital certificate. And that if you put in resume that you have completed a course of artificial intelligence from Accenture, then that itself, that line itself will get you a lot of values either in the interview or in the process of your resume selection. And friends, this future learn partners Accenture, so this link will be given in description. So this is the official website of Accenture, so it is not like we are referring some other page. No, it is not like that. Now friends, if you wanted to do these courses from outside, then let us have a look at the prices. So you'll have to invest only 2,06,500 rupees. Okay, so again, you can also see artificial intelligence engineer course, so you'll have to pay 99,000. So different websites, different prices are there, but here artificial intelligence, the technology which is going to rule the IT, or you can say rule the world. See, right now also everything is happening based on the artificial intelligence only. See, you see something on the Flipkart, right? So if you want to buy a mobile, so you just scroll to Flipkart, right, and you see the mobiles. Then after that, what happens? After some time, you will be seeing that you will be getting notification that this mobile has 10% discount, that mobile has 20% discount, right? So who does that? So nobody is sitting, okay, that somebody will come, that Pratik will come, and he will check the mobile prices and all, and after that I will start sending him the notification, this mobile 10%. No, everything is happening based on the artificial intelligence, right? See, you download some app, you register it, and then automatically after that each and every offers and lot more details. So everything is happening based on the artificial intelligence. So they're reading your mind, they're reading your what you does. So definitely this artificial intelligence is going to rule the world for at least next 5 to 10 years, you can say. Okay, and this digital marketing courses, so friends, even if you search on Google that highest package jobs in India, so you can see here is a list of top 10 high paying digital marketing jobs in India. So digital India manager. So basically, so in digital marketing, you have a lot of futures and lot of jobs. Okay, so friends, digital marketing, and then we have digital skills for work and life. See, digital marketing generally works on the SEO and all. So how your website will rank on the top, how your name will rank on the top, how your videos will rank on the top. So all those things happens through digital marketing. Okay, and then you can also see digital skills in that web analytics. So learn about the role of web analytics in the business. So the types of analytics and how to use different techniques. So in growing a business, this web analytics plays a very, very important role. So all these are, friends, the trending jobs, trending courses, you can say, which Accenture is providing, and that too for completely free. So do not lose this opportunity. See, other platform, if you'll see, they charge a lot and they will be teaching the same thing. So Accenture is one of the branded company, you can say. It's a top MNC, you can say, right? So whatever you want. So Accenture is a brand, and in all the mass recruiter company, Accenture is the best one. Okay, so now we will see about the courses. So let us talk about the courses. So Accenture digital skills artificial intelligence, discover the ability of artificial intelligence to transform your everyday life and reshape the way you work. So I will tell you how to join the courses. Okay, so friends, you can see 93,015 people have already, students have already enrolled to the courses. Now it's your turn, so please do enroll. Duration will be 3 weeks, weekly study 2 hours, 100% online, learn at your own pace. So friends, that's what I was saying. So even you will be able to complete in one day, and you will be able to get the digital upgrade free, digital certificate free, accreditation available info more. So let us come down and read about the other information. So identify the skill you will need to work with AI in the future. So artificial intelligence is used in many business to improve the way employee work. On this course, you will learn more about the past, present, and future of artificial intelligence and explore its potential in workplace. You will enhance your understanding with interesting facts, trends, and insights about using artificial intelligence. You will also explore the work relation between human and AI and the predicted skills need to work with artificial intelligence. Okay, so what topic we will cover? So introduction to artificial intelligence, how it is going to rule the industry. Okay, adapting your skills to work with artificial intelligence, and then when would you like to start? So here available now, you can go to the courses and you can join now. I will tell you, but before that we will see what will you achieve. So you can go through all those things. So they will describe each and everything. They will explain who is the courses for. So this technology for everyone with an interest in AI who is looking to improve their skills, enter the workplace or change careers. Okay, now, so if you want to change your career, then you definitely, this is for you. If you are a fresher, this is for you. If you are a undergraduate, graduate, postgraduate, for everyone these courses are there. So Accenture Digital Skills is a free interactive series of courses which help and prepare people to build the digital skills necessary to gain a job or start a business. Okay, now, so friends, it is unlimited access to the course, include any articles, videos, peer reviews, and quizzes. So quiz will be also there. Okay, test to validate your learning, test will be also there. A PDF certificate of achievement to prove your success when you are eligible. Okay, now, so friends, definitely, so this certificate, that's what I said, if you'll use an interview, if you'll put in your resume that I have done a 3 weeks courses of artificial intelligence from Accenture, that itself will get you more values. Learning on Future Learn. Okay, now, so you can also see the review. So it was interesting, right? So excellent. And then this course was a huge, really worthwhile, good content. Okay, so you can also go through the reviews. The people like you, those who have gone through, they have given the review. Now, so how you will be able to join from here? So what you have to do, you have to available now, go to the courses, right? So please go to the courses, and then here basically I have already clicked on join now. So basically once you'll click on join now, so let me go back and show you. So yes, so step by step we will see. So once you click on it, right, so on the courses, then there will be an option to join now. So I have already done the sign up. Okay, join now will be there, right? So here join now options will come. So already I have done the sign up, so I'm not getting that. So what you have to do is you have to put your first name, then you have to put your last name, age, email address, and then password, choose a minimum 10 characters. So once you fill all those things, then you will be registered, and then you will be redirected to the courses like this. Okay, so save and go to the courses. If you have any concern while doing all those things, you can please put a comment in the comment box. Now, welcome to the course. So course overview they have given, like welcome to the course, protecting yourself online, meet the team, welcome to week 1. Okay, and then you'll have week 2. Okay, so friends, all these modules has been given, and according to that module you have to go. So once you complete it, complete the one, so you can mark as complete, and then you can move to the next. Okay, so you will be able to see to-do list, activities, and your progress. So however you will progress, so you will be able to see the progress here. So right now I have progressed 0%. Friends, I am also going to complete this course, because see, a knowledge about all these courses are very much required, and getting the certificate from this reputed organization is very, very important. So I hope I have given you all the information, and the link for this official website of Accenture will be given in description. So please enroll and try to complete all the courses. Okay, and then put in your resume that you have completed digital, at least digital marketing, web analytics, and artificial intelligence. So these 3 you have to complete at any cost. Okay, and friend, trust me, this is going to add a lot of value in your resume, a lot of value in your interview. Thank you, friends. Till then, take care, and definitely I will meet you another video. So like, subscribe, and share. Do not go from here without subscribing. Thank you. Take care.